Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for an Explorelearning account. If you already have one previously, that's great. You can use the same account. You'll just have to join our class, which I'll just show you in a couple minutes. If you have a password username from before, unfortunately, I can't look it up for you. I don't have access to that since you weren't in my class. So you will have to just create a new account. Okay, so I've mentioned here sort of the important buttons that we're looking for. I'm just going to walk you through really quickly what we're doing. We're going to be using this program for a few of our labs, so it will be important that you sign up. Otherwise, you only get 5 minutes of access. So we're going to click this link, and we're looking for, in the top corner, login/enroll. Either way, you are going to have to put our class code down here. And I've already typed it in previously, so it's already here, but we're just copying and pasting it out of the document. And then you're going to see enroll in class. So here it's asking me, essentially, do I want to actually enroll in this class as a student? Your screen should say, I already have an Explorelearning account. As I mentioned, you have to know your own username and password. I'm not able to look that up for you at this point. So you may need to just register now or create a new account. So I'll click into that one. And then here comes all of the options, okay? Now in the instructions, I'm just gonna go backwards for a second. I did mention just a couple safety things. So when you are signing up as a student, you're welcome to use your first name and last initial. You don't need to include your full name, so I would recommend that you don't do that just from the safety perspective. I also suggest not using a password that you use for other things, only because it does share your password with me. So you wouldn't want to put a password that can't be shared. I will have access in case you do need to find out what that password is again. And then don't include your email address. Okay, I'll show you in just a sec, but students don't need to do that. And finally, record them somewhere safe so that you can actually log in the future. As I mentioned, once you do set up an account and you are joined into my class, I will have access to your username and password, so I'm always able to share that back with you. So again, you're on this screen. We're going to use our first name, last initial, or if there's some other username that you wanted to use, that's fine. You're going to enter that username down here. As well here, our email address is not needed for students, so you're going to leave that part blank. And down here, your password, choose something that is unique and something that hopefully isn't used for something else, and you can just record those two things. Once you press submit, you're going to be in our class and you're going to have access to all the things that we're using for our labs.